Warning: our YouTube channel and its videos may contain scenes, language, and content that may not be appropriate for all audiences. These videos include surveillance footage, undercover pursuit of suspects, actual police and rescue operations, and fearless confrontations. If you do not approve of the content, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewers' discretion is advised.
You know, may consistent ho ako. I've some disagreement ho kay Gina Lopez, and I've no love lost. But after ho na nakita ko dun sa CA, sa Commission on Appointment, naawa ho ako kay Gina Lopez because I now understand na she's standing there as a crusader and an advocate. And now she wants to be a regulator, which is the DNR secretary. And I see yung kanyang sinasabing idealism and the principle and the love of really protecting the environment. And I have respect for that. Some perception there changed na medyo naawa ho kay Gina Lopez. And I was one of those guilty mea culpa attacking her doon sa Laguna Lake. And I've stopped attacking. I've stopped talking. And I don't normally attack. I would attack only on the things that I don't go against. I don't go against or I don't agree. And kami naman, we ask her side na makuha. But then and water under the bridge. Well, focus muna sa mining. Ako naniniwala mga boss na yung idealism ni Gina Lopez, yung crusade, paging crusader and an advocate, magkakaroon ho ng conflict ho yan eh. Sometimes when you're a crusader and an advocate, your idealism is far away and way below yung as a regulator, below dun sinasabing mga advocates and crusader because iba ho yung idealism yan. Mas mataas ng konti. Ang mga regulators kasi, may mga patakaran na dyan. Ako minsan mga patakaran, may bahid ho ng pera eh. May bahid ho, pangsilbihan ho yung mga interest ho ng sinasabing mga mining companies, mga mining groups na yan eh. So may bahid ho dyan. Alam niyo naman ho natin na may mga lobbies talaga, yung mga mining board niya dyan, kung sino-sino kumukontra ho, ano? So, para ho sa akin mga boss, importante ho talaga na dapat sabihin ho ni President Digong, although sinabi naman ho ni President Digong, I support Gina Lopez. And I call on the Commission on Appointment as well as yung mga kapartido at mga supporters din ng administration. We want this lady to be the environmental secretary. And that's my marching order, and I'm trying to be micromanaging, and I'm saying I trust this person, Gina Lopez, that must come to the president. Na ganun hong ginawa ni Presidente. Pero dapat go beyond what the president should do is to tell those people sa CIA, hey, listen, I support that secretary. Kayong mga nasa CA, mga politikong putok sa buho kayo, naglalakihan ng mga bibig ninyo. Na iba sa inyo talaga nabayaran ng mga lobbies, ng mga putok sa buhong pendeho yung mga yan. Ngayon, why am I saying this? Until such time na talagang masabi ni President Digong, wala pa lang kayo mga kwenta kayo dyan sa CA. Ano ba? Pinahihirapan niyo ba? Kinukuyog niyo ba? Ipasa na yan. So all I'm saying dito mga boss, kayo mga naglalabi, kayo mga against, you talk too much. If Gina Lopez talks too much is to deliver the message, eto yung tama. Eto, wag niyong sisirain. Eto ang paprotekta. Again, you say, kumambyo ata si Ben Tulfo, pumabor kay Gina Lopez. Anong napaka? Siguro F you! I just happened to stand and I saw myself in this lady. Just for this confirmation, I'm taking a stand. This secretary should pass. And then kung sakaling may nakita akong iba pa na hindi pabor sa akin, I will just talk, but I will not be out there na parang wag siyang maging matagumpay na mailuklok sa pagiging Secretary of Environment and Natural Resources. Sa akin lang ho kasi mga boss, Magkano ho ba? Sabi na ho mismo ni President Duterte, o kayo mga nasa industriya ng mining firm, you're only paying the government and the country 70 billion pesos. 70 billion pesos. That's not enough! What's enough? You should be paying 3 times. If you really are, you're saying responsible, and there are people there are mining companies that are responsible. When it comes to their mining, there are a lot of them who are irresponsible. So, you really want yung sinasabing, whatever is this, yung mga permit ninyo, blah, blah, blah. You want it? Then, whatever it takes, you toe the line. You... okay. Boop, boop, boop. You really want it? Pay the price. Mas mataas ang standard of idealism na Gina Lopez kaysa doon sa mga potok sa buhong regulations na gawa ho ng mga sinasabing nang namamaga mga mukha, sumobra ang yaman ho sa sinasabing mga lobbyist niyan at yung mga nasa industriya ng mining. Our country, ang bansa ho natin, di ho kumikita ng sapat dyan sa lintik na mining industry niyan. You tell me if we're earning. Even the president says we're not. 70 billion pesos? Hinahalay ninyo ang sinasabing kalikasan. You're raping the environment. You're bastardizing the environment. Well, hindi natin nilalahat, but mostly, kung sino pa yung maiingay, sila pa yung mga tagapaglabag, and they wanted to keep going what they want to do. Sabi nga ni Cito Beltran, my friend, you should pay. If you really want, make them pay for it. Then dapat sabihin na ho natin sa mga, para sa ganito, to make it, parang, meeting you halfway, guys, kayo sa mining industry, kayo nasa industriya ng minahan, you should be paying more. Kakapal na mga mukha ninyo, mga potok sa buong pendeho kayo eh. Yumayaman kayo eh. Wala naman kayong kwenta eh. Kayo lang yumayaman. Kinadala yung pera sa labas. Pay 3 times. If it's 70 billion, make it 210 billion pesos. If you say, mahal naman, then umpisa muna, 140 billion pesos. Tingnan natin pag hindi kulang pa yan eh. Dapat nga, almost 300 billion pesos, payamanin nyo ang bawat komunidad at probinsya, rehiyon na kung saan inyong minahan ninyo. Hindi kayo yumayaman ng mga potok sa buho kayo eh. Ngayon, bakit nagagawa ng Australia? Bakit nagagawa ng Canada? Responsible, kung minsan may aksidente roon. Because they're so responsible. And they toe the line. Dito sa atin kasi, ay naku, sus Mariosep. Ay, sa mining na yan, dyan ho nag-uumpisa ng corruption. Dapat sabihin nito, magbayad na nga kayo. Tumigil na kayo. Kung sakaling gusto nyo talaga, magbayad kayo ng triple, magbayad kayo ng 4 times. Saka bubuti ng bansa. At the same time, hindi ibig sabihin na yumaman na kayo, pwede nyo sirain, mga putok sa buong pendeho kayo. Kung gano'n lang gusto ninyo, yumaman kayo, tapos sisirain nyo, tamaan sana kayo ng kulog at kidlat!